guys? This is Nick. Today I'm gonna walk you through steps on to do, if you're a victim of identity theft. But you gotta try to identify them offline, friends, former spouse, etc. I'm personal experience because it's recently had happened to me that I'm actually through right now. A lot of people they just tell you this information that what they want. I'm speaking from experience. Actually, the steps that I'm having to take, in order to clear it up. The very first thing you want to do is pull a copy of the report. The Mo and Credit, those two are the ones that or you can go to annual credit. If you don't in the membership, and you can get your all three bureaus. First thing you want to do, is copy of your credit report. Take a look at it. There, it's on there that you didn't know, like an inquiry, reportedly an actual account. You want to go ahead, mark that number. You want to do, go ahead, FTC site and go get a affidavit, letter, sworn statement that's saying that I'm a victim of identity. Request you block you, blah blah blah. Another thing which you want to do as well, police report. Hey, look, I've been a victim of identity theft. This is the account that's on my credit report. I need a police report to send over in Equifax and Experian. That's the second step you want to do. And before you even do all, anything that's fraudulent, that's back. You're going to want to freeze. Once you see ours on the account on here, you're going to want to freeze it. You take those letters into the credit bureaus. You take another, preferably the same one. You may need to change it up a little to the actual individual creditor. Sometimes, people will just send, basic letters without anything. You don't want to send the affidavit send a police report by itself. You want to send them both, or a statement, and also a police. That's another thing you want. And you want to send that to bureaus. Once you've done that, and really wait for them to get it processed. If I say go ahead and call them. TransUnion, Equifax are pretty good. They'll go ahead and delete it. Once they see every X, they don't want to delete it. Now to actually get Equifax to delete that fraudulent account. It was a fingerprint account from my old, address. Must have got something from help sent there. I was able to do a change of address. Got ended up applying for a fingerprint account. And they ran it up, got a phone thermal heater. That was really whack. Her name on that credit application. So I'm lucky to where I can actually go ahead but some people are just on that, okay, cool, this is who did it. This is who I know for a fact who did it. This is just really some quick steps. I'm trying to get all in the technicals about it, just real quick and to the point. And don't be afraid to, if you know who it is. That's your identity report card. Your credit is who you are. Like, nobody cares about where you work. Nobody cares about what scores you made on the SATs, or that bunch of credit. A bad credit, you got high income. But you have a relationship with that bank or anything. This is important. It's your adult report card that was taught in school in terms of where you get a good job. You need to have good credit. And you got to know how to make money. Really, you kind of don't need a diploma. To get a job, but you don't need all the extra that you want to worry about. And this is something I really want to touch on because this is a personal matter. Guys, if you got any questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up, drop a comment. I'll be dropping some more knowledge. I'm trying to pump out as many videos, trying to help as many people out. So go ahead and like, share, comment, hit me up.